In this video, we're going to be talking about the mechanical equipment tag family. We've expanded it since the previous MPP release and consolidated quite a bit of parameters amongst families so that the same tag type can be used in multiple situations. I have the dynamic title sheet in front of us right now. I'm going to activate this view. And so here's some of the tags called out on the title sheet that may be seen throughout the plans. We moved to a system of having more tag information on the title sheet because we recognize that users are inevitably going to be starting to place these. So if we don't call out exactly what the information is, then it's not going to be valid. So things like weight, just making sure that it's not the end-all weight with curbs. A fuel input or gas flow tag. Here's a cooling capacity tag, what that looks like. If we want to tag elevation on a given family, here's what this is, and we're calling out bottom of equipment elevation. Heating coil water flow, and then existing and new equipment. So let's look at this tag family real quick. The user manual does a good job of describing the tag families and editing them. I just want to show you in a video here, there's a couple very nice tricks. So for editing these tags, there's a whole bunch of labels on top of one another. So you don't know what's what unless you hit preview visibility on. And now in the types here for the tags, the preview is going to show exactly how they're going to look, which is really slick. So if we change to identity and cooling and heating capacity, we could hit apply. And now we could, if you needed to, you could select this label and modify it. You could change some of these parameters out, or you could change how the units are. In some cases, we've overridden units with these buttons where necessary. Otherwise, we used project units as much as we could, project settings. So mainly it's the fuel stuff that doesn't use project settings. All right, let's go back into the project and see how some of these tags might be used. All right, let's say, for example, we're going to make a coordination plan for structural. We're going to go to the roof plan, and we can annotate and choose tag all. And let's go down to mechanical equipment. And let's choose the identity and weight. There we go. Hit apply. Let's change that to all objects in current view, apply, and there we go. We could actually have structural just reference this view from a linked model, which actually is the best way to do it. Or if you want to do it the old school way, you can make a PDF and send that to them in an email. So that's weight. Let's see what else we can do. I'm going to make a new 3D view. And let's make a gas riser diagram. So once we save the orientation and lock the view, now we can tag all of these elements. So once again, we can go to annotate, tag all, and let's choose mechanical equipment again. And this time let's do gas load. There we go. So now you could tag your pipe and go on your way. Move these tags off a little bit. Okay, so gas riser diagram. Now what about like a hydronic riser diagram? Let's change this view template to heating water. Okay, here's our hydronic riser diagram. So now on this plan, we're probably going to want something like identity and water flow. Let's pull this down, identity and water flow, hit apply, and there you go. So lots of uses for the mechanical equipment tags. This is a masking region, as you can tell. There's stuff masked. But we also included some parameters to flex the size of this if need be. So if you had a unit number that was really, really long, 1-3-33, and this was an existing piece of equipment, it looks like junk in the tag. That's all right. You can edit the type, and you can edit the border width and border height. If we didn't need to use flow, we could change to the identity large, and then we'd be able to fit this in. So I see I got to update the word wrapping area on this given family. So that is the mechanical equipment tag.